one by one, tag-iisa kayo. Give us 5 reasons why the fans should keep on watching Meant to Be.
Sino mauna?
Bahala sila.
5 reasons?
Si Barb.
Oo, tag-iisa-isa kayo. Why should we keep on watching?
Sino mauna? Si Barb.
Sige, Barbie.
5 reasons. Oo, tag-iisa.
Tag-iisa kayo.
Okay. Para tumigil na ang fan war. Kasi kung per episode, kung isa-isang episode lang mapapanood nyo, magiging bias talaga kayo. Kasi hindi nyo maiintindihan yung story. So dapat every night manood kayo para malaman nyo kung bakit kailangan mag-focus sa ganitong character muna yung story.
One.
Stop.
Ako na, what's your reason? Sige. May kanya-kanyang improvement na yung bawat character. Ibig sabihin na nag-elevate na yung feelings namin with Lily. Sa totoo lang, 4 talaga kami magkakagusto eh. So, interesting na, yun na talaga yung pinaka-general kung kanino mapupunta si Bart. Na yun yung feeling ko talaga mag-hook sa kanila para manood at subaybayan yung Meant to Be. So, yun, para sa akin yun.
Okay, 2. Sino next?
Nilapit na yung mic.
Okay.
Kasi sabi ano nangyari kay Stephanie Sol?
Ha?
Kumakanta ka. Puluhin. Ali.
Adi. Naka-record pa naman kayo.
Naka-record kayo. Pakita namin kay staff to.
We love you, Steph. Why they should watch every day? Well, for me, at this point in the story, like even me, I don't know what's going to happen. Like it's so unpredictable, everything, because the characters are still in development stage, and yeah, like if you don't watch it at this point, it's gonna be really hard for you to understand what's happening in the future. And for me, like just from my personal point of view, I don't I would love to see that how like we have different personalities, right? And with different personality, it's a different individual story, and it's so hard for anyone to guess what's going to happen next. Yeah, like it's impossible. Like how can a playboy actually fall for just one girl? How can a bad boy become nice? Why? A shy person who can't even talk to girls, how can he compete with
Thank you for the description.
And a good boy who's gone bad.
Babalik ka talaga eh. Babalik ka talaga eh.
In-insist, bro.
In Tagalog. joke lang. Okay na. Okay.
Ako naman, sa week na binasa lang.
Ito na yung start ng...
Sumbatan mo. Ikaw pa naman yung nag-kids.
Buwan na tayo nag-start
Hindi.
eh.
Kaya nga, isang buwan na tayo nag-start. Pero ito na, dito pa lang mag-uumpisa. Na masasaksihan nyo kung paano may love yung 4 na lalaki kay Barbie. And kay Billy. Okay. Kung paano mag-start, ano yung magiging buhay ni Billy dun sa 4 at paano may love yung 4 na lalaki kay Billy. At yun yung, sa tingin ko, yun yung pinakaabangan ng lahat. At eto na.
Inulit mo.
Eto na, malapit na. Umpisa na.
Ito na.
Yun naman talaga.
Oo nga.
So 4 pa. Ay, 3 pa lang ulit.
Anyway, ayun, so ito yung arc ng story.
Hindi na stranger si Billy sa 4 na boys.
Hindi na. May, sa mga shoot na namin, may puso na. May talagang nasa story na yung the boys talagang care for Billy. Paano matadama yung friendship dahil sa mga feelings nila para kay Billy? Yun na yun. Mahirapan na yung boys. Kasi, gusto ko nga sabihin eh. Okay. Ulitin niya po. Ulitin. Again. Yun. So, mahirapan yung friendship ng kanilang 4 dahil kay Billy. Sorry, Barbie. Sorry, Billy.
Kaya mo yan.
us because we are best friends, right? And we work together, live together. So how is our friendship going to get affected? Because
Sinabi ko yun. Million reasons.
Tagalog kasi.
But yeah, he's right. He's right.